I'm Doris Angel, a Ghanaian residing in Germany. Nice to have you all here. Do we have some new people in our midst? Do you have some new people? If you are new here, you've not yet activated your robot, or you activated your robot not long ago, just type one in the chat. Because even if you are still new, though you've activated your robot, you still have to know how the robot works like, right? So just type one in the chat. If you are new, type one in the chat, please. Kindly type one in the chat if you are new. I see great leaders in the house. We have Mama Dinah all the way from UK, our newly V2 in the building. Then we have Madam Margaret all the way from South Sudan. Then we have Leader Doris Great all the way from the Netherlands. Then we have Queen Rita, the one and only Queen of Belgium. She's also here. Then, yes, we have Mr. Ennis all the way from Ghana. So you can see my co-host across the globe. UK, Netherlands, Ghana, South Sudan, Belgium. Wow, what a combination. All right, so this is actually a living proof, or this is for you to know that with this business, you can do it worldwide, irrespective of where you are. You'll be able to use or be part of this amazing business. All right. So let us start the presentation. It is a business presentation on what cryptocurrencies are and a tool that I can introduce you to be able to use to trade in crypto. So yeah, permit me to share my screen since we've wasted much of your time. I wouldn't like to take all your time away. So just let me let me close my apps because I got a revelation. No, not me. Someone got a revelation about me in our RoyalQ business that she was praying. I think she's in Uganda or Kenya. I have to look for the country the woman is coming from. She's been attending my meetings, but I don't know her personally. And she was like, I was praying and I had this revelation from God about you. So please, even though I've told you, you can block me, I don't care, but I've told you what God told me to tell you. So, Charlie, now I have to take caution when sharing my screen. All right. So, that was just by the way. Let me just share my screen, then I'll take you guys through. Okay. All right. So, my co host, please assist me if something is ongoing. If I'm sharing my screen, I don't watch the screen. So, you guys have to draw my attention. If you can't hear me clearly too, you need to let me know, okay? All right, so after the presentation, I'm going to give room to those who have questions and answers so that you can ask all your questions, okay? All right, my presentation starts with a question. How do you earn? How do we all earn over here? I just want you to type in the chat, how do you earn? Are you an employee or you are self-employed? Or you're a business owner, or you're an investor, where do you fall? Just type the abbreviations. If you're an employee or you earn only from employment, you type E. If it's employment and investor, you type EI. If it is all, just write ESBI. Do it in the chat. Let's do this exercise. Now, before I can continue. Okay, SC from the Caribbeans, right? She said she's an investor. Great. Then Mr. Ennis, E and I, employee and an investor. Great. Then we have Judy. Judy R says employee. Okay, great. So the rest, don't you guys earn money? You guys don't earn any money. How do you live? We have Ellen Educhumwa, also an employee. Then we have Mausina, my namesake, employee and investor. Great. Then we have Nancy from South Sudan, employee. Then we have Dr. Bushai. Today I got the name right. Dr. Bushai, all the way from South Sudan, an employee and a business owner. Oh, wow, that is great. Then we have Angel Diva, all the way from UK. She also earned from being, okay, from an investor. Okay, great. All right, thanks for the feedback. So, guys, an employee simply means you have a job, right? And the number of hours or the number of time you spend in your job will determine how much you earn as salary or as wages, right? So, under employee, there's nothing like leverage. It simply means if you don't show up to work or you don't you don't go to work, you don't work. Maybe you work from home. If you don't work, no pay for you. So under the employee, there is nothing like there's no leverage. You have to show up before you can earn, or you have to report to work before you can earn. Now let's look at the self-employed. So the self-employed means you own a job, okay? You are your own boss. And that one too involves the number of time or hours you put in it would determine how much money you would make. So that place too, there is no leverage. It means if you don't open your shop or you don't open your store or whatever business you are into, if you don't open it, no money. Now let's look at the business owner. With a business owner, you own a system. That means people work for you. Queen Rita, I hope your two prospects are in the meeting. Rashida and her sister, because they need to join so that they can get the clear understanding about the business they are getting into. Okay. I'll be happy if you can forward the link to them. Ah, they're already on another shit. Scheisse. Okay, let's continue. So, yes, with a business owner, you own a system, which simply means that people work for you. Okay. So, the number of people you have, or the more people you have, will determine how much money you would be making. So, under the business owner, you can see that there is leverage over there. And what's the leverage? The people. So, you are leveraging on people to make money. Now, let's just look at the investor. With the investor, your money works for you. So, the more money you have, the more profit or the more returns you are going to be making. So, with the investor too, you are leveraging on something, which is your money. Now, looking at the cash flow quadrant we have on my screen here, you can see that with employee and self-employed, they fall under active income, which simply means they have to show up. You have to show up to be able to earn. That is why we call it active income. But with the business owner and the investor, it falls under passive income. Those of us here on the RoyalQ robot that are sharing the opportunity or that are building team, sometimes you don't even activate someone personally, but yet you earn. Why? Because you have a system in place. And what's the system? People. You created a group of people together. You understand? So that is why we leverage on people under the business owner. Then with the investor too, if you are here, you own a RoyalQ robot. Your money is in your exchange. The robot is trading for you, right? As you are asleep, you wake up. What's working for you? It's your money. Your $50, your $100, your $20 is generating income for you, right? Are you there before? No, you set it up. You're asleep. With or without your presence, it's working. So that is what we call earning passively. Won't it be nice if those of us who fall under the active income have one part of earning passively? I think that would be sweet because you'll be there. You will not really do a lot, but you'll be earning. That is great, right? That's the world we live in now. All right. So The cash flow was a theory formed by Robert Kiyosaki. We call it the cash flow quadrant. Okay, you can read more about it. So these are the four ways that we can earn income. Now, earning income does not end there. How do you grow your wealth? The wealth that you have, how do you grow it? Because you need to do something so that you don't lose that wealth, right? And there are so many ways we can grow our wealth. We can grow it through bank. The bank offers a lot of products. In Africa, we have the treasury bill that people purchase, and maybe in 3 months' time, 6 months' time, they get some little returns on it, right? Then we have gold and silver. You can grow your wealth through purchasing of some gold and silver or investing in them. Then we have the mutual funds. Then we have real estate. Okay, all these are ways that you can use to grow your wealth. But the most amazing one, the beautiful one that I'll introduce to you is crypto. You can grow your wealth through crypto. A lot of people do not know what cryptocurrency is, talk less of growing their wealth through it. So I'm here this evening to enlighten you about what cryptocurrencies are. Now, in 2008, a group of people anonymously known as Satoshi Nakamoto, up to date, we don't know if it's a single person or a group, but we like it that way because the most important is whatever purpose why this cryptocurrency was created is serving it. It's serving its purpose. So we don't care about the CEO of the coin or the crypto. Okay. So it created the first and leading cryptocurrency in the market today. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. You hear people call it BTC, BTC. If you hear someone saying BTC, it simply means Bitcoin. In 2009, Bitcoin was launched to the world. Presently, there are more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies, and it's increasing day by day as its popularity among its users is increasing due to its substantial growth in value over the years. Today, there was something great. History was made on this currency. Who can tell me? Who can type it in the chat? What happened? What happened to BTC today? Let's see if we have people who follow the financial news or who followed messages on the WhatsApp groups. Ben's iPhone says 120,000. Was that history that happened today? I think Ben's iPhone is wrong. So who else? Yes, Quenrita says there was a new all-time high today. Great, ATH. There was a new all-time high today. That is true. Who can tell me the all-time high price? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? I'll be glad if I can get some feedback. Who can tell me? Just type it in the chat. Who can tell me the all-time high that we experienced? Oh, I should have taken this answer last. I'm still taking more answers. Okay, good. I'm getting 123, 128,000, 121,000, 121, 123, 123. Wow, interesting. Let us see. Let's see if 128 people are correct or 123 or who. Or the 120s or the 121. So this is coin market cap, okay? All time high 123. Just last week, I showed this screen and it was 112. Those who follow my meetings back to back, those who take notes, if you would remember, just last week, our all-time high for BTC was 112. Then 1 week later, 123. I don't want to say some words because it's a business meeting. I don't want to use some. slang here. Yeah, Mr. Ernest was really paying attention. Okay, great. So let's go back to our slides. So this one alone, cry, is a proof to you, okay, that indeed one can grow their wealth through cryptocurrency. Imagine, what is the all-time low of BTC? That is it, just under the all-time high. It's less than $1. Meaning when BTC was first launched, this was the price. And how many years now? From 2009 till now, it's 16 years. Let's look at the tremendous growth. Should we look at it? Last week too, we looked at it, right? In percentage wise, I couldn't pronounce it. We were saying billions, millions, trillions. We couldn't pronounce the figure. Guys, so this tells you that the cryptocurrency industry we are in, no, it is not a joke. No, it's not a joke. Industries, governments are embracing it. They are adopting it. So you ask yourself, what is this about this cryptocurrency that everybody is, when I pass here, crypto, corner, crypto, bank, crypto, like everywhere. What's happening? It tells you how powerful cryptocurrencies are. Now, there are so many cryptocurrencies, a lot. We have Ethereum, we have Solana, we have Ripple, we have XLM, which is Monero, right? We have HBAR, we have Trump, we have Dogecoin, a lot. But you need to know each coin, which project is backing it up. Because we have some cryptocurrencies that are called shit coins. We have meme coins. All these coins, they all have its own usage. Do you understand? We have altcoins. Now let's go back to our slide. Let's look at some features of cryptocurrencies. One, they are global digital currencies. What do we mean by that? It simply means crypto is a digital money that can be used globally with same value worldwide. It simply means if I send 100 USDT or 100 BTC to someone in Africa or in Asia or whatever continent, it will still be the same 100 BTC. The value would not change because of the geographical location of the person. No, the value is the same worldwide. Two, blockchain technology. What do we mean by that? Meaning these cryptocurrencies run on blockchain and it's secured by cryptography that makes it hack proof and also has the fastest transaction mode. What do we mean by fastest transaction mode? If you have a crypto wallet and I ask for your wallet to send you money, when I send you the cryptocurrency, in less than 5 minutes, you should have your money. If it's the same network, let's say TRC20, TRC20, within a minute, you should get the money, irrespective of the person's location. Unlike our traditional banks that, let's say for instance, if I want to send 5,000 euros to Ghana, I have to go to the bank because it's an international transfer. I cannot do that on my online banking. I have to go to the bank. Hey, I want to send money to Africa. Now the bank will ask, okay, write the purpose. Why are you sending this money outside? What's the purpose of the money? Okay, what is the source of the money? Where do you get this money from? Like questions and answers. You cry, you'll be tired. Plus, you pay charges. Plus, it will delay. They'll tell you, oh, your transaction can take between 3 to 5 working days, maximum 7 working days. Weekends and holidays should be deducted. My God, what if they need this money so urgent in Africa? Should they wait for this number of days? No. With cryptocurrency, you can use it and send money fast and swift. My mom's birthday, I didn't send her money through Tap Tap or World Remit or name it, Remitly or whatever. She has a Binance account. I just wired her some money. I'm like, Mom, can you check your Binance? Did you get a notification? Okay, hurry, hurry, go and cash out. Cash out. She was just at the comfort of her home. She cashed out on her Momo. Easy peasy. Without any middleman. Easy peasy. So that is what we call fastest transaction mode. The third feature, decentralized finance. What do we mean by this? Cryptocurrency transactions are peer-to-peer and not controlled by any central bank or authority. When I sent the money, I didn't get any call from the German banks. Hello, hello, you send this money. Why did you send this money? Come and explain yourself. What work are you doing before you send this money? Come and explain yourself. No, I had my peace of mind. Okay, that is the power of cryptocurrency. Now, looking at cryptocurrency, we need to look at the growth. Okay, Bitcoin, along with many other cryptocurrencies, they have actually shown the highest growth in value in the last 10 years. This makes crypto the best performing digital asset as compared to any other forms of investment. You can see on my graph here, we have Amazon, we have Tesla, we have Apple, then we have Bitcoin, then we have S&P 500, then we have Google, then we have Microsoft, and we have gold. In fact, this my slide is outdated. I have to produce a new one, but time is not easy. Maybe I have to look for someone to do it so that I'll pay the person. This percentage you are seeing here, 569,772%. That is cocoa. That is not the actual figure. Last week, what was the figure, Mr. Ernest? What was the figure? Or can someone get it for us on ChatGPT? Can someone get it for us? If someone can get it for us, that would be awesome. If someone can get the percentage, how BTC has grown within the last decade or since 2009 till now, what's the percentage rate? That homework should be done by one of our co-hosts. Now, let's look at how to earn from cryptocurrency. How can one earn from cryptocurrency? You can invest and hold. In crypto, we call it hodling. Hodling. Okay, it's not like a wrong English. Hodling. What do we mean? If you hear a terminology like this in crypto, don't say, hey, nipa no wagba. Hey, sorry. Don't say, oh, the person has made a mistake. It's supposed to be holding. Why do you say holding? It's holding. In crypto, we call it holding. Okay. So crypto investing is the act of buying and holding crypto assets to derive higher appreciation in the future. In the future can be 1 year, 2 years, 6 months, 10 months, 4 years. It depends on you when you want to cash out. It depends on you when you want to cash out. Okay. That is what we mean by investing. A lot of people mistaken investing and trading. They use it interchangeably, but no, it's wrong. You purchasing crypto, leaving it for some time so that it can appreciate in value for you to sell and take profit is different from you trading crypto daily and taking profit on a daily basis. They are two different things. Okay. Now, another way one can earn from cryptocurrency is mining. What do we mean by mining? Mining is a process used to generate new coins and verify new transactions over decentralized networks of computers around the world that verify and secure blockchains. Now, we have a lot of crypto mining equipment or machines that you can buy and let them mine cryptocurrencies for you. Okay. Then we have staking. Staking is when you lock your crypto asset for a set period of time to help support the operation of a blockchain. In return for staking your crypto, you earn more cryptocurrency. Now let's look at trading. As you can see on the picture here, these are the crypto candles, okay? You see someone buy at this point, then the price rises up. It rises up. The person can choose to take profit here or wait and take profit here. Then later it drops again. Someone could also enter here. Someone who can enter here and take profit at the top. So you see this movement, we call it volatility. Now, crypto trading inclines more towards the shorter or quicker route. It seeks refuge in the volatility of the crypto market to make the best of price fluctuations. One can pay close attention to the crypto market and invest in day trading for quicker trading profits. Would you want to learn? My audience here, would you want to learn how to trade? Oh, okay, I got the answer. Thank you so much. So, yes, you there, I'll leave the pronunciation for those that can pronounce it. Final answer. The pronunciation there, I can't pronounce it. You read it in the chat. Because the pronunciation is very difficult to pronounce those figures. 569 million and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 635 million. Okay, let's continue. Let us continue. So great. Now, whatever you want to learn or whatever you want to do in life, it requires you to get some sort of uh qualifications or requirements, like some like some prerequisites. You need something to be able to achieve what you want, right? So one, knowledge. Without knowledge, you cannot just jump and say, hey, I'm going to trade crypto on Binance. I'm going to trade crypto on crypto.com or crypto on Coinbase. You would definitely need time. Then you need patience. So these are the three essential requirements before starting any crypto business. Now, someone is wondering, am I at the wrong meeting? So does it mean if I don't have any knowledge in crypto, I cannot do this business or I can't be part of this community? Me that I don't have time. I work 8 hours, extra 2 hours, another hour again. Hey, then I don't think this business is for me. Another person is thinking of patience. Hey, me dear Charlie, me, I want it partial. I want it fast, fast, fast. I don't have patience. I don't have that patience to wait, to learn. Don't worry. We have the ultimate solution for you. And what's the ultimate solution? Royal quantitative artificial intelligence robot. Now, we call it RoyalQ simply just to shortcut it, okay? So RoyalQ is a super intelligent automated crypto trading bot that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to trade for you in your crypto exchanges. Now let me break it down. Someone who do not understand what crypto exchanges are. What do we mean by crypto exchanges? So crypto exchanges are simply platforms where you can buy cryptocurrency, you can sell, you can transfer, you can withdraw, you can deposit, you can trade in cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. Now there are so many. We have a lot of different exchanges. Okay, let us go to CoinMarketCap and look at a few. So I'll go to exchanges. We have Binance, is very popular, as known worldwide. Those of you that watch footballs, you are going to notice that Binance has sponsored some leagues. Okay, they sponsor a lot of footballs like the World Cup. A lot. I cannot name it all. Last time there was this. Was it the recent um the recent match that ended in US? What's the name? Where are the men? Please help me. Yes, the one that Chelsea won. What's the name of the cup? Is it a fan club? FIFA Club World Club. Thank you, FIFA. Thank you, FIFA Club World Club. Kraken, Crypto.com, Binance, a lot of exchanges. They sponsor these clubs. They sponsor this football. How do we call it? Soccer fans tell us. They sponsor this tournaments. Okay, so that should tell you that crypto is here to stay. Do you understand? Now, Binance is known to be the world leading crypto exchange. As you can see on the rank, it's number one, followed by Bybit, then Coinbase, then Upbit, then OKS. Now, these are what we call crypto exchanges. It simply means with a Royal Q robot, your trading capital is not supposed to be on the Royal Q robot. Instead, your trading capital will be in your crypto exchange. So oh, thank you. Hey, Mr. Ernest, you are too much. So that's why I don't joke with you. So I shared this screenshot. They were playing this match. And then I had to capture this just to post and share with people. Just to say, crypto is a scam. Crypto is not real. Crypto is Illuminati. Crypto is haram. Crypto is ISIS. Crypto is 99. See those people. When I see them, I just laugh. I'm like, you people, you have a long way to go. Okay, so let's continue. Just think of it as if you are hiring a cryptocurrency trading expert to do your crypto trading while you can sit back and watch the profit grow. This one is not uh, hiring any broker. Oh, hello, I got a broker. Oh, he trades for me. Yeah, she trades for me. And he said he'll be giving me this percentage at the end of the month if he wins this trade. No, it's no broker matter. You are not hiring any broker to trade for you. Your broker here is the Royal Q robot without touching your trading capital. Now let's look at some features about Royal Q, okay? What makes Royal Q the best and different among the rest? One, security. Security. Those who live in a flat apartment, You know, when your landlord or the house owner gives you the key, what happens? They tell you that, hey, the entrance door there, this key is very important. If you lose this key, wahala. If you lose this key, you pay 7,000 euros. If you lose this key, you pay 10,000 euros. If you lose this key, 5,000 euros. Why? Because that key is a common key to the house that everybody has. So once you misplace yours, it means the house is no longer safe. The security of the house has been breached. Do you get it? So that is why they tell you this key, they have to hold it with all your life. Because once it gets missing, maybe a tenant loses one, they have to change the whole door because it's no longer safe. Because who knows? Maybe the key will go and fall into a bad person, a bad person's hands. And what will happen? You are no longer safe in your own apartment. So security is very, very key. And it's key in this our RoyalQ business as well. With RoyalQ, your trading capital and your trading profit remains in your exchange wallet. I've already explained what exchange wallet is, right? It means it's in your control, on which RoyalQ doesn't have permission to withdraw or transfer. I hope that is clear. So that is the security we are talking about. I've done a whole lot of countless online business, but the security in RoyalQ is top notch. Two, super intelligent. What do we mean by super intelligent? RoyalQ executes quantitative trading using artificial intelligence. That is real-time monitoring and tracking of big data algorithms. That's continuous income is generated. That is how intelligent the robot is. As you have set it down, you are sleeping or you are at work, you're on your night shift, you are in the labor ward pushing your baby. The robot is busy doing its work. It works 24/7. Now, a lot of people do not know that in the crypto, the market is open 24/7. Unlike the stock market, unlike the forex, weekends is closed. Who can tell me banks that work on Saturdays or Sundays or holidays? There is none. But with cryptocurrency, yesterday, the robot sold for me, which coin? A lot of coins, and gave me some profits. It was a Sunday, but I still earned because cryptocurrency is an open market 24/7. So therefore, the RoyalQ also trades for you 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week without taking a leave. No pause, no break. The robot will not say, you people have worked too much. I've worked. Let me take a break. This is too much. Let me take just 1 hour break or 1 week. I'm going for holidays. No. And it also has the 24/7 real-time monitoring. So you can make money even while you sleep on auto mode. There are some people that their trades have been placed on the cycle mode, meaning the robot will be buying, selling the coins over and over again until you tell it, hey, robot, stop, don't buy again. Enough of the buying. 4, there are no loss, only profit. With RoyalQ, there is no risk of loss as the robot is programmed only to trade in profit and never sells in loss. Let me repeat that again. With RoyalQ, there is no risk of loss as the robot is programmed only to trade in profit and never sells in loss. You will not enter into a trade, then the RoyalQ robot will say, this trade, you are not going into profit. You let me sell you at a loss. Never. Since 2021, I've been using this robot. It has never, unless you yourself, your hand is too fast, it's too petre petre, You are like, "Hey, my hand is itching me. Let me just." Your hand is doing you like logaliki, logaliki. You feel like touching, touching. Then you go and touch manual sell and you sell at a loss. That one, it has nothing to do with RoyalQ. It has something to do with you, the trader, that you are impatient. Don't behave like the Germans. Don't behave like my people, my German people. What they did, it has cost them a lot. Let me show you what they did. Where did I post it yesterday? Where did I post it? Where is Doris Angel? Where did I post it? Yesterday, who saw that post? When I posted that, let me go to media so it will be fast. When I posted that the Germans lost a lot of money because what happened? They couldn't wait. Their hands was doing them lokaligi, lokaligi. Sell, sell, sell. Let's sell. Let's sell. Let's not sell. Let's sell. Let's not sell. Where is the post? Hey, oh, I didn't post it here. Oh, okay, it's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. Just in. German government's decision to sell 50,000 Bitcoin at 54K cost them how much? 3.1 billion. Oh my God. Right now, they are biting their fingers. What did that do? Why did we do that? You people. And who even pressed the sell button? Who said we should sell this our 550,000 Bitcoin? Why would we do that? And where is the El Salvador's post? I think it's on Rabbi's page. Let me get that one. They are regretting. They're like, hey, what have we done? What have we done? So they says that's why smart people don't leave their crypto decisions to chance. Guys, don't be like the German people. It's Rabbi's group. He posted something on his group that I wanted to share with you guys. So as people are selling, some people too are doing what? Buying. Bullish. El Salvador is a country, right? You guys know. Has been buying BTC since November 2022. Now sitting on an unrealized profit. So you see, on RoyalQ, we have unrealized P&L. People ask, which one to is an unrealized? What's the meaning of that? It means it's not yet actual profit. You decide when you sell it, that is when it becomes realized profit. Do you understand? So this unrealized profit could also be unrealized loss. It means until you sell it, it doesn't become loss. I remember when El Salvador started buying BTC, people were laughing at them. They were like, this country, are they mad? Their president, why? Is it drinking this fuel? What's happening to their president? Bitcoin is crashing. He is now buying. I say, hey, you people don't know what you are talking about. Wait for the next bull run. You understand the reason why the country El Salvador is hoarding more BTC. Now see, what are they sitting on? 456 million on its Bitcoin holdings. This is just the profit. Oh. The capital they put, the capital is different. Oh. This is the profit. Do you see what I'm seeing? Are you guys with me or you people are sleeping? Do you have some people here? Because I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing any reactions. What's happening? Are you guys sleeping? Dr. Bushai, give me some reactions. I want you guys to see what I'm seeing. Or I don't know if I should put the thing in your eyes. Like, do you understand the English I'm speaking? I'm using simple English so that you guys will understand the picture I'm trying to draw. So I'm comparing two countries. Who else others are buying? Some are selling fast. And imagine, it's my country too that is selling fast. They couldn't wait. They were like, oh, as soon as BTC just hit 50, how much? Oh, they said, let's sell, let's sell, let's sell. We are scared BTC will go down. Let's sell. And they should have called me to do that analyzation for them and to tell them, wait, 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 don't FOMO, wait, relax, relax, relax. We haven't gotten anywhere. The bull run is just about to start. It's okay. Let's continue. Essie says I'm here. That is great. Let's continue. So, guys, that is it. With RoyalQ, the robot is not programmed to sell at a loss. That If I wait 1 week and this your coin is not selling in profit, I will just sell it at a loss. You can go to hell. You and the coin go. No, 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 no. It doesn't work like that. Now, 5, maximum return on investment. Not those kind of return on investment we know. Not the green gold type, the Pentron pays and those ones, not those ones. The Soul Maxes, no. Although profit depends, sorry, although profit depends on your trading capital and the market conditions, still, you can expect between 10 to 30% monthly profit. And in the long term, 100 to 500%. Today, who saw the profit I shared on the group? 40%, right? In which coin? XLM. Others are taking 1%. Me, I say, this coin, I've chopped small dollar on it, like $400. But I still want to make more money. I opened 100 margin calls, invested 2,700 and something. And I just paused it. I said, I'm waiting so I can take more profit. Today, how much did it give me? Let's go there. You know me, I like to give with proofs, right? I like to back my. Unless Leader Margaret helped me with the English today, because I don't know where my English went to today. So my English is in some cage. I don't know who took my English away. Whoever took my English, please bring the English back. I really suffered to learn English in school. Please bring that English back. Where is it? Hey, I can't find the message. Oh. Hey, no, not this one. This is also 45% in XLM. Looking for my own. Because my own, I can show you something. Oh, where is it? The pictures are too many that it's even doing me two. Can refer me. Yeah, look at it. 1,086. So you see the first post I showed you about El Salvador. They said unrealized profit until I allow the robot me, or until I manually tap on the sell button to issue the command that robot go and sell, go and sell. It's not profit. Someone say ask the Germans about your English. Hey, so guys, 40%. Our banks, our native banks that we bank with, they can't give us this percentage. Forget it. The bankers, they know. They know they can't give us this percentage. Where is another percentage? No bank can give you 326%, even if it's 10 years. Forget it. Due diligence. Check. What is the maximum return on investment they can give on your savings account? 4 point something percent in Europe here. I'm talking with facts. And how much must you have in your savings account before they'll give you that 4%? You must have 1 million euros before you can get 4%. Tago Bank is in Germany here. Tago Bank. They'll give you 2.5% on how much? You must have more than 7,500 euros in your savings account before you can get 2.5. How much is 2.5 of 7,000? And this money, do you know how much? Do you know how you get a yearly per annum? It's not daily. So even if I get 326% in 3 years in crypto, what are you talking about? That is enough for me, because I know the bank that I save my money cannot give me this. That is the gospel fact. That is why now, what are the banks doing? The banks are joining. They say if you can't beat them, what do? You join them. What is happening here? Do you have some Germans in the house that can help me translate? Before, if I translate, they'll be like, this woman, she's lying to us because she knows we can't read the German language. So she has lied to us. She has told us. By now, this message is saying they are banning Bitcoin in Germany, and she's lying to us. Guys, even big banks like Sparkasse, are getting into Bitcoin, if these giant native banks, traditional banks, they are not sleeping on crypto, why should you? That is the question I have for you this evening. Why should you? So that is the return on investment. That is one of the features of RoyalQ. 6, affiliate income. Now, this part, people do not want to hear it. When they hear this part, now they're angry. Eh, are we bringing people over here to, let me sip some water. Hmm. Please, this business, do we say bring people, bring people? Are you supposed to bring people? If it's that one there, then I'm out. Okay. Oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Even Elon Musk is leveraging on people. Jeff Bezos. These people are the top richest men. I'm calling their names. If you don't know, go and Google them and read more about them. Hey, what's happening to my throat now? What's that? Is it my people from the village? You know the village people, they don't like nice things. Guys, if these people are leveraging on people to make money, then what are you talking about? We, the common floor members, what should we do? What should we do, guys? So don't be those type of people. If it's bring people there, I'm out. Count me out. I'm not doing this business. I'm out. Let me go and suffer like that. Let me go and do my 10 hours like that. I prefer that one. It's working hard. Okay, go and work hard. We choose to work smart because we are living in a smart world. Yeah. So RoyalQ says, if you decide or if you want to share this opportunity with your loved ones, with your friends, with your family, you earn wonderful commissions. As they've activated, you are earning. They are compensating you for bringing someone on board. As they are trading and they are making profit, you are also earning. Do you understand? It is completely optional. It's not compulsory. Compulsory by force, no. Someone will be like, oh, does it mean this business, if I don't bring someone, I cannot earn in trading? No, please. I have people who are doing fine with trading. They haven't brought a single soul. They are still earning. This affiliate income is designed for people that do not have capital or enough capital to kickstart. So they can use this to make money so they can put in their trading portfolio. So it's completely optional. It's not by force. It's not by fire, by thunder. Okay, now how do you get started? How do you get started? You've heard a little about cryptocurrency. You've heard about RoyalQ. How do you get started? You need a referral link. What referral links do you need? Of course, the RoyalQ referral link. Don't go and I know. Then you go and download the app on Google Play Store or Android Store or Apple Store. You end up getting a fake because everything that has original has its own fake. That is why you see Coca-Cola. We have numerous types of Coca-Cola, but it can never be compared to the taste of Coca-Cola. Then you need a referral exchange for the exchange if you don't have an exchange of your own. How do you get this referral links? Whoever invited you to the opportunity, you go to them and take these links. To start making the money, you need these two applications. Without it, you cannot get started. So you need RoyalQ, you need the exchange. They are two smart applications that work on your smartphone. It means if you have a YAM, if you have Nokia 3310, you cannot use it. You need a smartphone because it's a smart financial tool that we are using. I hope you get it. All right, let's look at some quick features about Binance. The reason why I single out Binance is because it's the number one. It's the world's largest crypto marketplace. The world's first ranked crypto exchange, I just showed you on CoinMarketCap, it's number one. Binance daily volume sometimes can be more than 76 billion. Let's look at today's daily volume. 31.18 billion. What was last week's volume? I think 17 or 18 billion. Today it is 31.18 billion. 31.18. Sorry, we don't say 18. 31.18 billion. That is the money that has been pumped or transacted within the last 24 hours. It is not a joke. Oh. No be child's play, guys. It's the leading crypto exchange in the world. Highly secure facilities. Today, a prospect, a new member was asking me, hey, my sister, you know where I'm coming from here? The thing did me, pa, they chopped me. So I want to know, this Binance, won't it run away? Won't it chop us like where we are coming from? I said, lie, lie. Last year, what happened to the Binance founder? He was arrested under house arrest. Did you hear anything like BNB has closed, Binance has closed because they've arrested the founder? Lie. He handed over to a CEO before he went for his, was it 6 months or how many months house arrest? Did anything happen on Binance? No, everything was moving smoothly. You don't even know that they arrested the founder before. So when it comes to highly secure facilities, I give them like 100.100%. It has up to 5 levels of security keys. Your own money that you want to withdraw. The process you pass through, you ask, why? It's my own money. Why do you, I should bring this code, use my facial ID. Which kind of wahala be this? Please, no be wahala. Oh. It's for your own protection. Do you guys understand? So this is the level of security we are talking about on the exchange that you are going to be connecting to your RoyalQ robots. Now, only you can withdraw or transfer. Only you. I hope that is clear. All right. Let us move to a recap, just a recap of RoyalQ. Those who joined in late can pay attention. RoyalQ is an artificial intelligence robotic trading platform trading on 9 different exchanges: Binance, HTX, Indodax, Kraken, OKS, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bybit, Maxi. 9 different exchanges. It has over 2 million users worldwide. Okay. My PDF is outdated. I have to be beaten before I correct all these things. And it's in over 200 areas. You can see my co-hosts. We have co-hosts from where? Netherlands, Belgium, Ghana, UK, where again? Germany, South Sudan. At least this is a proof that the app is worldwide. And we have made profit of over 180 what? That one there, I couldn't chew it in my head. 180 what? Is it 88 or 84 million USDT? We are also following the trend. Yeah, 184 million USDT. Can you see that? So, guys, with my PDF, you can see that, hey, then these people have gone pound from 180 million to 184. Hey, then indeed, these people are not joking. Now, the RoyalQ app is part of the top 7 financial apps on iOS and Google Play Store. It is also the first ever quantitative AI trading application. Okay. Now, another unique feature of the RoyalQ robot is the API binding. What does API stands for? Application Programming Interface. What does it do? It just read and trade. That is all. It doesn't withdraw your money. It doesn't blow your account. It doesn't transfer. If you've been using something for a longer period of time, like you know it by heart, do you understand? Someone will be like, hey, why is she talking plenty like that? Why is she doing, hey, I know. Aletron, all this type of people. Please. When you connect your Royal Q robots to the exchange, the process is called the API binding. What does API stands for? Application Programming Interface. What does it do? It helps the robots to be able to pick trades on your behalf. So if you issue out a command on the robot that, okay, buy BTC for me, buy 10 USDT of BTC for me. If the robot purchases, you would see the coin in your exchange. I hope that is clear. So that is the API binding. Just look at it as if the RoyalQ is your Google Pay or your Apple wallet, and your bank is the Binance. Okay. So it must ask permission. The hello bank, Doris want to buy something. Can I take the money? Then bank will say, yeah, yeah, yeah. Take it, go and buy it. That's the communication. So what helps the robot and the exchange to communicate is the API. Without this API feature, you cannot connect the RoyalQ robot to the exchange. I hope that is clear. All right. RoyalQ activation. With these beautiful features I've mentioned about, you cannot say the robot should be free now. The robot should work free because there is no free lunch. But it's affordable. It has an annual subscription of 120 USDT. You can also call it $120. Just take it as if this 120, when you split it within the months that we have in a year, we have 12 months, right? And 120. 120 divided by 12 will be what? Where are the calculators? Sorry, where are my mathematicians? 120 divided by 12 will be what? 10. Don't go and do any calculation. It's 10. Simple 10. 10. It means every month you are paying $10 for using the robot. Isn't that beautiful? One robot, you can trade with the robot. You can chat with it. Imagine connecting the robot to your Telegram. And the robot buys and sells. They tell you, hello, there is a new buy. Hello, there is a new sell. Hey, if you don't want this, what else do you want? You can chat someone instead of going to WhatsApp and chat your friend who is using RoyalQ. You can chat the person on RoyalQ, your upline. You can chat them on RoyalQ. Hi, upline. Is everything okay? Hey, one app. It generates money for you. You can gain knowledge on it. You can use it as social media. You can meet people from all walks of life. If you don't want this, what else do you want? For 120 per. Ah, there are some businesses we did. We were paying $100 every month, $200. Even that one we did it. So 120 is very cheap. Don't complain. Fuel fees. That is another fee you pay in RoyalQ. Now, fuel fees is 20% of profit. Okay. So RoyalQ says of every trading profit RoyalQ makes for you, it deducts 20% as fuel fees. Now, this is charged only when you make a profit, not on your capital. So don't think, hey, 20%. So if I'm trading with 10,000, they'll take the. No, it's not on your capital, on the profit. Meaning, if you make profit of $20, you will be charged 20% of the $20 you made. If you made $100, you'll be charged 20% of the $100 you made. I hope that is clear. Okay, so that is what we call the fuel fees. Now, these fuel fees, RoyalQ does not say all the 20% is coming to us, is entering into our stomach. No. RoyalQ distributes 70% of the fuel fees back to its users who promotes the app. Okay, which is fair, is good. Now, someone asks, but you said they charge 20%. How come they are distributing 70%? They converted the 20% to 100. So the 100, RoyalQ keeps 30% and distributes the 70% to the line of networkers, those who promotes the app. So if you are those type of people, me, I didn't come here to share. I'm not born a networker. No, this bring person. No, I'm not in for all those nonsense, all those your shits. I'm just here to trade alone. I go solo. I go alone. Okay, go alone. Now, with the 120, to someone will think, is it RoyalQ that keeps all the 120? No. RoyalQ keeps 40 and distributes 80 to the rest, the line of networkers. That is those who promotes the application. Isn't that beautiful? RoyalQ has a beautiful compensation plan. I won't really take you into details, okay? I'll just brush it up a little for you. But there are four ways to earn from this RoyalQ business. One, self-trading profit. That is your own trading capital. You can make profit from there. Then another way to earn is the affiliate income. You earn activation gain, you earn direct quantification. Let me quickly send you there. Let me quickly, okay, I'll do that after the slide, okay? Then we have copy traders. Who are copy traders? Copy traders are people that have their own unique trade settings they give out to the community. So whoever follows a copy trader or joins their synchronization will pay what we call strategy fees. Then lastly, we have mentorship. What does mentorship means? So RoyalQ says whoever becomes a mentor and guide people with their trade settings or guide them in winning their trades, you will be compensated instead of their upline getting all the benefits. The benefits their upline is supposed to get from them is shared into two. The mentor who is helping will get half, then the so-called upline will also get half. Okay, so 50-50. Monkey will not be working and Babu will be chopping. Lie. There is no free lunch. If I have to leave my team members and guide you that you are not in my team, that I'm not benefiting anything from you, I must be compensated. The time that I spend with you, there should be value on that time, right? Isn't that fair? I think that is fair. So those are the four ways you can earn. Okay. So the self-trading profit, that's a breakdown of it. The activation bonus are from 30 to 70, depending on the rank that you are. Then the team trading profits. Okay. So the RoyalQ rewards you a share in the trading profits of your direct and your indirect team members. Okay. So that is it, between 4% to 12%. So depending on the rank that you are and the benefits that you get, okay. So that is it with the levels. Now let me quickly switch to a RoyalQ app for you to see how the application works like, okay. So this is how the app looks like. It's a user-friendly app. When you go to the App Store, you would also see it there. We don't encourage people to go and download the app from the stores directly. Why? Because you might end up getting a fake. Because, Charlie, everything that original, hey, the English is not English, and don't laugh at me. Everything that has original has its fake, okay, duplicate, okay. So yes, this is a RoyalQ app. You can see some reviews 2 years ago, 3 years ago. You can see these are Germans that have given reviews. Okay, I don't know them. I didn't see anybody type in English. They are all Germans. I'm like, hey, so all these German people that I'm seeing like that, as if they don't want money, they all want money. Hey, okay. So that is it. You should also write your reviews. The app has been in existence for more than 7 years. Okay, it was actually for corporate companies that were trading for them until they open up to the public usage, okay, to you and me, like all of us, so that we can also use it. Okay, so at least it has some training, it has tested and tried it before opening to the market. Okay, all right. So yes, this is how the app looks like. We have the home button, we have strategy, we have circle, we have news, we have the mind button. So all these buttons, they have its own features, okay? As we are talking now, people are making profit like no man's business, okay? As we are talking now, someone just made profit from World Coin, 1.10%. So all of us that are connected, okay? Our profits, the robot sells for us. Our profit is being shown here. Okay, so you see everything. It's clear. One thing I love about the Royal Q robot is it's transparent. Like there is no laba laba, like there's no corner corner. Everything is clear. You can see, okay, this is the fuel fee that has been deducted. Okay, today I only made $4. Yesterday I made $38. You can see the fuel fees that were deducted. Everything is clear. It's not a fixed income that they will say, okay, with $1,000, we can be giving you 10, 10, 10 every. No, because we don't know what will be happening in the market in the next hour, in the next minute. We don't know whether we'll be receiving a good news or a bad news. Scheisse, who is calling me? Sorry about that. Can you guys hear me? My co-host. Let me put my phone on do not disturb. I forgot. Can you guys hear me, please? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear
Okay,
you
thank
well.
you.
Oh.
Okay, thank you so much. All right, great. So as I was saying, okay, these are the results. So you see the full fees I was talking about. RoyalQ will not say, okay, let's wait. The end of the day, then we'll deduct. No. Once you make the profit, fuel fees are being deducted. Once you make the profit, fuel fees are being deducted. Sometimes you can make $1,000. Be expecting that they'll charge 20% of 1,000 as your fuel fees. Now, mind you, I said RoyalQ cannot come into your exchange and take money from your exchange. So that your trading capital there, if you get the profit 100% all will be on your exchange. But RoyalQ deducts the 20% from your fuel fees on the RoyalQ app. That is why without fuel fees, you cannot get started. You cannot start a trade without fuel fees. Okay, so you can see the profit. It differs. Some days are good, some days are bad. The good thing is, I'm not losing my capital to anybody. My capital is with me. It's within my reach. It's within my control. I hope that is clear. All right, so let's move out over here and go to strategy. Okay, so I have this trade. It's in trade now. The robot is not in profit. It's in unrealized loss. This one is not unrealized profit or unrealized gain. It's an unrealized loss. But what is happening? The robot is not selling it. It's waiting patiently. Once this trade enters into profit, it will hit my take profit and sell for me. I'm not the one going to sell it. I've issued out the command. The rest is left with the robot. I hope that is clear. All right, so that is the Royal Key robot. Now, let me quickly share a different screen so you'd see another thing that I want to show you. I hope you are not tired of hearing my irritating voice. Do I have a nice voice? Hey, today someone confessed to me that, hey, when I heard your voice, I said, I cannot, I cannot say I won't do this business. Hey, Charlie, I have to go and sharpen this voice well because I didn't know the voice was a tool. The voice was a powerful tool. Hey, imagine someone saying, when I hear your voice, I say, this voice, I want to be hearing it always. Queen Rita, do I have a nice voice? This voice that is cracking like that. Okay, guys. So that was just by the way. Let's go to the mentorship. I brought you here for you to see. So this is the mentorship program. Okay, I applied for the mentorship. You need to be on the second level and above before you can become a mentor. Okay. Now, I don't take this aspect so seriously. Why? Because the team that I have is big and my responsibilities are a lot. And my goals of reaching the last rank is too much on me. So I don't really take the mentorship program seriously. But if someone comes to me that, hey, I don't know my upline. My upline is not available. In fact, he's missing. She has stopped the business. Can you help me? Can you guide me in my trades? I say, okay, voila. Why not? Then you make me a mentor, then I'll be helping you. So these are some of the benefits that I have made. Okay, you can see in total 2,473 USDT has been made from only mentorship. So if you are here and you're already a member or you're aspiring to become a member and you understand the system, how it works, you're able to guide people. You could also apply to become a mentor and you can guide others in the opportunity and you make cool money. Like just Free Bonto. No man's business. Okay. Now let's go to the circle owners. Okay. The circle lords. We call them copy traders. So the copy traders I mentioned, they have their own unique trade settings. Aside Royal Q's default trade settings, they also have their own trade settings they have tested and tried, and they feel it's feasible for other traders to copy. So as you are copying their trade settings, you are joining their synchronization, you have to pay because there is no free lunch. So you pay strategy fee. So if you are someone that you're already complaining of fuel fee, don't venture strategy fee. Okay, just follow your upline. Your upline will give you beautiful trade settings as well, or follow your team. Okay. So the copy traders too, they earn. Some charge 5%, others charge 1%, 2%, depending on the copy trader. Okay. So that is it. There are a lot of them, a lot. But at the circle leaderboard, you see the top 10. And these are the profits that they have made. A copy trader making 219,000 USDT in profit. Profit. 212,000. 100 and 198 198,000 USDT. That is profit that they have made, total profit. Do you understand? Okay, okay, okay. Let us go to mine. So I've showed you self-trading profit, mentorship, copy traders. Now let us move to the sharing of the opportunity. So this is where one can withdraw out money. Okay. Reward bonus. Where is it coming from? From my team. Okay. This is a living proof that my team members are cashing out. They are making profit. I hope you understand. Mentor bonus. Can you see? So this is it. So every minute, every second, money. Oh, as we are here, activation gain. Can you see that? Hey, what is happening? 2043. I was still on the Zoom presenting, right? Was I present? No. But what did I earn? I earned passively because someone in my team activated and I earned 10. Okay, so depending on the rank you are and how much you will be earning. Okay, now let us go to the withdrawals because some people will be like, it's not this one we want to see. Can you withdraw this money out of RoyalQ? That's what we want to hear. Okay, yes, so that is it. Today, I withdrew this today, 14th, 14, 18, 218, 59 seconds. I withdrew 305. How much did I get in my exchange? 303. Why? Transaction fees, 2 USDT. Any amount you withdraw, you are being charged two. So you can see two, 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 two. If you see a lot of twos, two, 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 two. You can see these are all external withdrawals. Okay, you withdraw like no man's business. You withdraw like no man's business. I've been on maternity leave for some months now, years, I would say. Okay, and this is my sustainer. You are just earning from team building because you have built a system. You have built people that anytime your new people bring people on board, you are earning. Okay, you can withdraw your money, and in less than few minutes, the money hits your exchange. I hope that is clear. Okay, so you can see minimum you can withdraw from the team building is 10. But internal transfer, minimum you can withdraw, or sorry, minimum you can transfer to someone internally is one USDT. I hope that is clear. All right. So yes, that is it with Royal Q. Let's go to the reward details. I made mention of activation gain. Okay, the activation gain. We have activate peer income. Then we have activate global dividends. Then we have direct quantification. Direct quantification is simply people that are directly trading under me, like my direct downlines, those who use my real link to activate. Imagine me earning $2 from my downline just because she has made profit. Isn't that beautiful? That is awesome. So this is a proof that this leader is making profit. If I don't see her name, I have to go and ask her, hello, is everything okay? I'm not more seeing your name. Have you stopped trading? What's happening? Perhaps the leader has run out of fuel fee and they are not aware. So that is why it's very good when you join, you personalize your nickname. Don't use the system generated one. Personalize your name so that we know that, oh, this is my downline. This is so, so, and so. Okay. Now let's go to team quantification. So with the team quantification, you also earn from three different parts. We have the team quantification, we have the peer reward, and we have the global dividend. The global dividend is the last rank. I haven't gotten there yet. So that is why it's up to peer reward. I'm on the fourth rank at the moment. Okay, there are six ranks. And I like it that we don't have a lot of ranks in Royal Q. Okay, I think we got a new announcement today that in August, no, in September, we'll be having, they will re-edit the ranks and the qualifications. Okay, they'll adjust it a bit. So let's wait and see what they have for us. Okay, but so far, so good. This is it. Now, what else? RoyalQ has a customer care that you can chat them. If anything, maybe your password, you've forgotten your password, you can chat them, you can write an email to them, they'll respond and assist you to change your details. Okay. So yeah, uh that brings us to the end of my sharing, but I will not be able to end without sharing with you my favorite quote from Warren Buffett. He said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. This is not a curse, it's reality. Okay, so let's take it in good faith and work towards that. So, thank you all for tuning in and listening to me. I hope I did justice with the presentation. I hope you learned something. You are taking home something. Like, I've opened your eyes to something. You now see the moon, and the moon too sees you, right? And I hope our prospects will be seeing you guys on board because the moving train there is moving. You have to jump to catch on it, or else you will miss out. When I joined this business, BTC was around 28K. It went high to 69K. In 2022, it dropped as low as 15K. Now, as we are talking, where is BTC? It's hit all-time high today, 123. Oh my God. We are not dreaming. It's happening. And after this bull run, which is happening 2025 this year, after this bull run, it will drop again from next year. Prepare your money down, buy the dip, wait for it again, take profits, and you'll be excited in this industry. So, thank you guys. And it's question time. In German, we say Fragen kostenlos. It means if you ask question, you will not pay a dime. It's free. Pay free. So ask a question. There are no stupid questions. There are no silly questions. But your questions should be related on the presentation I did on cryptocurrency or on RoyalQ. It shouldn't be on people that are activated. Robert. Okay, my full fee is finished. What should I do? What are we doing? Can you check my trades? Once I ask you to talk and I hear your question is going to that direction, I'll just mute you. All right, thank you guys. So just simply tap on reactions, raise hands, then you'll be able to raise your hands, or you can simply type it in the chat. Okay, so let me show you how to raise hands on Zoom. You tap on reactions, then you see raise hand here. I've already raised my hands up. That's why you see lower hand. Okay. So those of you who wanted to use emoji, as I'm preaching, you are laughing or you are angry, you can send your emotions here so that I'll see it. If you don't like what I'm saying, once I see your reaction, I will know how to proceed, right? Okay, guys, that is all for tonight. So my co-host, please, if someone raises their hands up, kindly let me know. I'm in the chat trying to scan through if there are any questions so that I would break them down into what? simpler. Is it molecules? Where is Rabbi? Is Rabbi in the house? Because he is my scientist. Do we have Rabbi and Dr. Umar here? Rabbi. If Rabbi is not here, then he has to pay money today. Do you have Dr. Umar here? If Dr. Umar is not here, please tell him in the chat that he will be paying 100 USDT today. His profits all will be coming into the RoyalQ team. So yes, ask your questions. Ask your questions. I'm here. How do we say, what is an atom? An atom is, hey, I've forgotten the definition of atom. We like all this nonsense, eh? God, science students. Hey, Tudeke, only one nurse, only one doctor, only one this. Hey, hey. It is well. Let's continue. All right. So yes, let me see if there are any questions. I'm trying to scroll to the top so that I don't miss out. Would appreciate a copy of the video, please. Thank you. So Uncle T, you know me. Chat me privately, so I'll share the video with you. I think the introductory video leader Doris Great played from the beginning. Okay, so I'm just checking through the questions. My prospects told me crypto is for billionaires. Ow, Nancy, you and I have the same experience. In 2017, by then BTC was not even up to $1,000. They told me that crypto is for the rich. Hey, they say crypto is Illuminati. They say crypto was 999666. Once you buy crypto, you join the club. I say, hey, by then to stupidity. I couldn't go and do my research. I just believed them. And I said, okay, oh, let me look for another online business. And I went into product, selling of Juice Plus product. Hey, Chineke me, I'll sell, get money. Later, I'll use the money to pay them back. Why? Because my customers I sold to, all of them are undocumented. Hey, I didn't say that to have held my mouth. All of them don't have the 10. So if I want to take the money, hey, some will even relocate. They'll leave the city. I don't know where to find them. I have to end up my pension. How do you call the compensation plan money? The money I got, I have to use it to pay them back again. Hey, I was just walking in circles. Which kind of wahala be this? I came out. I said, product is not for me. Until I came across return on investment, doing from one to the other, jumping like prostitutes. Today I'm on this one, tomorrow I'm on that one. When they scanned me on Green Gold, I told myself, my eyes, I need to shine my eyes. I need to shine my eyes. God, give me a business that I can have full control over my money. So tomorrow I'll not wake up, then they'll say my money is gone. The website is no more working. God. And God brought me someone all the way from Uganda. Leader Julius Kabanda. Oh my God, I bless the day I met that guy on Zoom. I bless that day. Because now my $100, I have made more than how much? I don't want to mention it openly. I just have to close my mouth. So Nancy, we have the same story. Doesn't know that it's actually the other way around, makes people billionaires. Thank you. One of my team members said, you know, this is why I thought Bitcoin trading, crypto trading. I thought you have to buy one full Bitcoin. So let's say currently Bitcoin is around 120,000. My team member was saying she thought you have to get 120,000 to buy one Bitcoin. I said, no. Bitcoin is like a cake. You can buy it small. You to come and take small. You to take small. That's how Bitcoin is. I said, I see the moon. And the moon sees me. Broker finish my money. Thank you, Leader Margaret. I'm not the only one. FOMO. Hey, Patrick. Patrick, no FOMO. Charlie, this guy be crypto guru. You know, some people when you say FOMO, they be, hey, what is he saying? Fear of missing out. FOMO is a crypto terminology, okay? Okay. Fear of missing out catch them. Yes, so it catch the German people. Their hand was doing golo golo. So I learned that from Leader Margaret. She said in South Sudan they also call it some name. We in Ghana we call it logaliki, and Petre, their hands was doing them like that. Or Rabbi, am I wrong? All right. Essie says, I'm here. You are too excited. Bitcoin took it. Ask the Germans about your English. Patrick, I have to know who you are. Because the way you are so like eloquent on the group chat, I like it. It's optional. Sip water, sip water. Yes, I need water and vitamin C. What is an unrealized profit? Is it the cumulative Royal Q robot makes? No. So Nancy, the unrealized profit, when you're in profit in Royal Q, you see unrealized P and L, P slash L. It means the profit is not yet, it's not real until the robot sells for you or until you sell yourself, okay, by tapping on the sell button. But we've designed the robot to sell. So unrealized profits, it means the El Salvador country, they have not yet sold it all. They are just letting us see it that, hey, this is their profit around this figure. They've not yet sold it. So when they sell it, before it will become real profit. Do you understand? Yes. So I hope that is clear. All right. Rabbi also did justice to it. Thank you so much. You guys are too good. You are too good. Good, 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 good. Okay. So this excitement in my leader's voice is another level. It is upgraded excitement. Chai, 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 chai. Sometimes I enter into the spiritual realms. You see how sometimes when you go to church, your pastor will preach that day, you'll be like, hey, today did the pastor? What happened to the pastor? Yes, sometimes I go into that realms. That is why I tell you, don't let your prospects or you yourself don't be missing my meetings. Because some days, it will be mazo, it will just be some cool level. Some days too, I'll be on fire. I'll be standing before I'm presenting. You get it? Yeah. So I think today I took you to that level. Yeah, just take it like that. Thank God it was recorded so you can rewatch it as many times as you want. iPhone says I joined late. I haven't got point number 1.2 and 3. Okay. Which one are you referring to, iPhone? I think it would be nice for you to join in with your name next time. So I don't call you iPhone because most of us are using iPhones here. Which of the points? Is it the cryptocurrency points or the Royal Q points? I think it would be best to rewatch this video. Then, if you have a follow up question, you can ask it on my YouTube channel or come with the question next week, Monday, same time. Okay. Uh, Rabbi Elvis says Bitfinex is really doing well as an exchange. Yeah, yeah, very true. I see them on the list as well. Oh, Rita is laughing at 10. I bet she knows why she's laughing at the 10. Only those who know knows. Acrobato, those who know knows. Okay, okay,
My
okay,
leader,
okay.
someone's hand is up.
Oh, someone's hand is up. Hey, sorry. Thank you, my dear. Okay, Julie, uh, Julie Lizzie. Julie Lizzie. Yeah, I hope I pronounce your name well. Please ask your question.
Yes. Good evening.
Good
Um,
evening.
I am new. I just joined the Zoom from a friend. A friend sent me the invitation. I want to verify one or two things.
Okay,
With
sure.
the Royal Kill. I have just heard one or two that it sells with a robot. Fine. Do we have a specific range that maybe example, if I start with 2,000, it means that maybe a day this is the profit he's going to make, and then at the month, maybe example, I am getting 500 or 400 or 1,000. Can I know if there is a little range about it?
Okay, thank you for your question. All right, so I mentioned earlier on that this is not a return on investment whereby we have fixed amounts with corresponding to fixed profits that you make. Because over here, we trade cryptocurrencies, okay? And the
Yeah.
market moves in wave like manner. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down in that order. There are some days the market is so good, you make a lot of profit. You're like, wow. 2 days, wow. But there are some days the market is slow because it's down. Okay, it's just like our own work. Let me put it like this. For instance, you have a shop, a hairdressing salon. Okay, it's not every day that you know that every day 20 people will be coming. So if 20 people come, maybe they'll be doing fixing their hair. So this is the fix. No, it's nothing like that. Okay, but the approximations we give is you make between 0.5 to 5% daily, or it's possible for you to make between uh 30 to 100% a month. Okay, it's possible of your capital that you introduce into the market. Because someone can be having $2,000, but not all the 2,000 it's in the trade. Do you understand? Because we teach about capital management. Some people want to make quick profit that they just join not 2,000, they put all in the trade. No, we don't trade like that. We will advise you on how to go about with your trades. Okay. You take a little by little. So whatever you have in the trade, that is the percentage you'll be making. I hope that is clear. I shared my screen. There were some days that I made $7, some days $2, some days 15, 37, in that order, depending on the movement of the market. But the good thing is, if the market goes against you, you are not losing your funds. All you need is patience for the market to rise up again. Madam, oh, sorry. Please unmute yourself again. Julie Lizzie.
Yeah.
Did you get it, please?
Oh, yes, I have.
Okay. Okay. Thank you
I
so much
have.
for your question. May I know which country you are connecting from, please?
Germany.
Oh, wow. Which city, please?
I am in North Westphalen.
Oh, okay. I'm also in North Rhine. I'm in Cologne.
So I'm in Herne. It is in between Zwischendurch, Dortmund and
Eh,
Bochum, Gelsenkirchen.
okay,
Yeah, they
okay,
are about.
okay. I know that
But from
area.
from from my place with a drive, it's 1 hour 20 minutes to Köln.
Cologne.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
All right. Okay, great. Nice to have you here.
Yeah,
All
nice
right. Thank you
to
for your
have you.
question. Okay. All right. Bye. So I'm going to lower her hand so it doesn't confuse my co-host. Okay, so let me continue in the chat. In the chat, you can raise your hands up if your questions pop up. So Mr. Ernest says winning souls with the voice. The voice. In fact, I have to be chewing graphic and time. So this voice, I will sharpen it well, so I can win more souls. Okay, Gloria Amanio says, I like your voice. Oh, thank you. All right, so Gloria says, how do I apply to become a mentor? I would wish to mentor people. I will introduce the business to in the near future. Oh wow. So you're not even yet on board, but you're aspiring to become a mentor. That is great. So to become a mentor, you need to be on the second level, meaning you must have 20 people directly, like 20 team members, and at least three of them must be directly under you. Then you can become a mentor. You can apply for the mentorship. So if you're on the first rank, you don't qualify. At least you need to have some responsibilities. So creating a team, guiding 20 people would let RoyalQ know that okay, you fit to be in that category. So that is the qualification, the requirement. You need to have 20 team members in total. Out of the 23 must be directly under you. So that is it, Gloria. All right. Okay. So thank you, Rabbi, for answering that as well. Hey, Nancy says you're an angel. Thanks, dear. Oh, I'm blushing. Okay, Kurita says, hey, your presentation skills, dear, top notch. Thank you, my queen. All right. Enjoying with big smiles. That's great. So, Dr. Kadi Young, in this our team, we have a lot of doctors. So, hey, a lot of doctors. I'll be off now to attend. Okay, doctor, you know all the doctors there. They're always busy in the consulting room or going to the emergency. So, Charlie, I understand, doctor. I salute. Stay safe too. Mama Dinah, our latest V2 ranker. She said, thanks for a powerful. Oh, God bless you, Ma Dinah. iPhone says, thank you so much for the wonderful presentation. And my question is, what maximum amount can someone put in RoyalQ? Hey, this question there, they'll say the question is for the gods. I don't know if you guys read The Gods Are Not to Be Blamed. Hey, was it a movie or a book? Rabbi can answer that. So yes, this question, infinity. We have people in our team trading with 100,000, 10,000, 20,000, 5,000, $50, $100. That way there you cut your coat according to your size. But our advice is start small and increase as time goes by. Okay. So yes, iPhone. That is the answer. Rabbi, you are here. Adepa. Okay, Judy R says very informative. That is great. Cool for Joe says beautiful voice and nice presentation. Okay, smallest particle. Thank you. Of an element that is atom. Thank you. At least na dream, but na confusing. Okay, Gloria says Shukran, leader Doris. Okay, hey, do we have these people over here? But the Arabic people who say the Shukran. I hear that a lot from these South Africans too. Okay. God bless the moon and God bless me. Thank you. God, hey, so you remember all this? Hey, Queen Rita. Logoligi, yes, Logoligi movement. Oh, okay. Sorry, Julie Lizzie. I was so buried in the chat. Sorry. But I think I've addressed your question. It rhythms all the way from Uganda, Mr. Julius Kabanda. So meaningful, the market determines if you will realize that unrealized profit or not, right? And if the market is down, it's not yet guaranteed, right? Yes, Nancy Kajoka. So if it's a negative, it's called unrealized loss. If it's a positive, it's called unrealized profit. Until there is a sale, it will not be called profit unless it's being sold before it will be profit. And if you sell at a loss, it will now be realized loss. And the robot is not designed to sell at a loss. So that is why we say the robot doesn't sell at a loss. So Cool for Joe says, big shout out to Julie Lizzie. Oh, okay. So Cool for Joe. Oh, okay. Invited her. Oh, that's great. Ellen Educhumwa is asking, please, who is the founder of RoyalQ? So the founder of RoyalQ, I think I have to send you the certificate so you can read because the name here, I cannot pronounce it because it's in Chinese name. But the company is registered in Singapore. Okay. Yeah. It has an office too in the United States of America. I know where some people are coming from. So, when they hear some this, they know they are getting scared. But cool your temper and know that this app is not those type, okay? We've had a lot of trading boats. We've had Matic boat. We've had one boat be, I don't know if Rabbi can remember. There's a lot, okay? But they are all not there again. Why? Because they were not real boats. Okay. With this, I always say we have nothing to lose because our trading capital is not with the robots. Our trading capital is with us. So I know the reason why Ellen Educhumwa is asking for the CEO, the founder of RoyalQ. Okay. All right. It's a book. Yeah, the gods are not to be blamed. It's a book. Hey, Charlie, we did literature because hey God. Shukran means thank you. Oh, okay. I hear it a lot. I thought it was, we have a city in Ghana, in Ghana called Shukran City. And Arabi Mitrantro. We have a place in Ghana, Shukran. Oh, okay. So Shukran means thank you. I hear it a lot from Crypto Candy. He's a South African using Royal Q in my team. So he says that a lot. Okay, great. Nancy says, thanks for today. Okay. God bless you for the nice, for being nice always. Love your pace. Thank you, my dear. For me to trade, do I have to command the robot to work 24/7, or there are hours where we get notifications on opportunities? So, Gloria, that's a good question. In our team, we have leaders who give out signals, okay? Aside that, we also educate our members on how to generate their own signals. So you don't have to be waiting for signals, because we are from all, like, from different countries. So sometimes the time someone will come and meet the signal is too late. The signal must have already delivered. So aside we teaching you how to generate your own signal, you just scan through the market on the RoyalQ app. There you know, this coin there, if I enter, I will take 1%. But for now that you are new, if you join newly, we will guide you, we'll put you on some trades, okay, some solid coins, not just any nonsense crypto coin. Okay, we put you like coins like XRP, Dogecoin, XLM, um, Pepe, Bonk. All these coins are solid coins. BTC, Ethereum. Like, we make sure we put you between top 30 or 50 coins. Okay, we select those coins for you based on your capital. Then we put it on a cycle mode. Cycle mode simply means the robot will be buying, selling until you tell it stop. You put a stop to it. You turn off the margin call, or you just reduce the margin call limit. So all these things, we learn it on our Wednesday meetings. Aside the Wednesday meetings that I hold, we have meetings we hold during mornings and afternoons and evenings. So anytime that you feel you are free, you can join in. Our YouTube channel, I'm going to share them right now on the Zoom, so that you can subscribe to those channels, and also, sorry, and also watch, you can watch later. Okay, so I'm sharing my first. I also have a YouTube channel that some of my videos, I paste them there. Like today's meeting is being recorded. Okay, so after that I'll upload it on the channel. So if anyone wants this particular day, they can just grab it. I will also share my uplines. That is the CEO of Crypto Ambassadors team, leader Julius Kabanda. I'm also going to share his channel. You can subscribe, check out the live videos, the shorts, and everything. So I've shared with you the two YouTube channels, so you can make sure tap on it, subscribe, turn on notifications, so anytime we are live, you can watch it. So guys, that is all for today. My YouTubers, hi. If you are interested, get back to whoever shared the link with you and get on board. If you want to ask any questions, you can also type it on the YouTube channel if you don't have my contact. Okay.